Today, let me tell you a story. So, when we came to Reading, people told us that there's nothing to be seen in London. London is just overhyped. You cannot find anything in London except from those touristy places. But for us, London has a very different meaning. The next stop for the day was Camden Market. Hi, and welcome to another episode of Harry Tinkers. Today, let me tell you a story. So, every time we go to London, we definitely research a lot of what we want to eat. I had seen a lot of videos about Camden Market of the different kind of food which it offers. Also, me and Akhil always visit a place majorly for the food, and Camden Market was one of it. So we thought, okay, let's go to Camden Market on my birthday. How do you reach Camden Market? It's definitely you have to take the London Tube and you can get at the Camden station, and from there it's just a walkable distance. The Camden Market is filled with bustling crowd. It looks more touristy, but I think there are also Londoners around. As soon as you enter the place, it's loud. The place is super loud with the crowd. The place looks very artistic because of its graffiti all over. Any art lover would love to go there and just see the buildings, how aesthetically it is made. I loved it. As a lover of graffiti and street art myself, I really loved the place. As an art lover, we also visited this place called Bristol. So you can see the link in the description. So in Camden Market, we explored different kind of flavors. For example, the Indonesian chicken curry was good. I mean, the taste was very flavorful and chicken was properly cooked. We also had this famous mac and cheese. The mac and cheese was, of course, super cheesy and it's really, really filling. So buy only one. It will be enough if you have less food. Also, the Dutch pancakes with Nutella would taste better than dark chocolate. We took the dark chocolate and didn't like it that much as we liked the Nutella one when we had visited London for the Christmas market. Also, you can check the Christmas market video, which I'll leave in the description. Then we just started exploring the Camden Market, not the food place, and you can shop a variety of things there. It is a shopper-friendly market. You'll have something starting from the Egyptian market to something which is Portugal, German-inspired, Indian-inspired, Singapore-inspired, many different things you can see. If you are art enthusiasts like us, you can see a lot of posters, paintings, and sculptures. Very beautifully done. You can shop for a lot of jewelry and you can shop for clothes. It's a very, very good place for probably everybody. Now, I would tell you that we love anime. And there were many stores which offer anime related merchandise. We loved it. I actually told Akhil that the next time when we go, we'll have like a perfect budget for it to shop things. We also got some lovely watch from Camden Market. We bought few denim, which I will probably show you. And also I got 2 tops which were actually in sale at the time when I visited. I really loved the prints. Everything over there, each and every product is very unique and different from each other. No shop sells the same item. Every shop is very unique in Camden Market. So you can actually go there for a fashion-friendly shopping haul. Definitely, I would show you what and all we bought from the Camden Market. So these are the few things which we got from Camden Market. So this denim shirt And we got some patches, like some funky patches. And this was from the print shop I had mentioned earlier. They have some really cool printed shirts, and it's basically rayon, the fabric, and you don't have to iron it. It's really cool. And then comes this beautiful top, which has this very cute embroidery. And then we also got this wristband and a small pin badge. The market is so big that it really took us half a day to explore, I think, 1/4 of the market, and it was already 7 o'clock and mostly the shops were closing. So we decided to have our dinner from this place. The falafel was amazing, especially the chutney which they gave along with that was superb. It was super, super, super spicy. And then, of course, we went to our favorite place, Humble Crumble. So we found out Humble Crumble through Borough Market. It is one of the best place to have desserts, especially the apple crumble. It's very famous here in UK, the apple crumble concept. So you can see our video about Borough Market. I'll leave a link in the description as well. There also you get like amazing food, just as Camden Market. So the difference what I found in Borough Market and Camden Market was, Borough Market was more about fresh produce and produce from all over the world. So what you will find there is more of cheese and bakery items and fruits and vegetables, as compared to Camden Market is more about different regional food, and you can actually taste a lot of different cuisines in a single place. Four flavors ice cream. Pistachio. What else did we order?
I think it's a mango sorbet.
No, passion fruit.
Passion fruit.
Passion fruit, mint, and pistachio, and vanilla. Thank you for watching the video and see you in the next episode. Bye bye.